Howdy everyone, welcome to the show. It's just going to be a short one today. There's nothing really new to say. I will start with just a tiny bit of analysis just to so you guys can see the way I'm thinking. These volume sensors are stuff I printed earlier, so let's have a look where they come from. So indicators, so from the bottom to now. Okay, that we're right on the highest possible volume here, and so it's stuck at this level until it chooses to break one way or the other. This one here looks like it should be a big bar, so this provides some pull downward, and so that you've got to be aware that it might try and reach this zone where there's plenty of open orders, and there's another volume sensor up here. And we're stuck between these two at the moment. And this is why I talk about, once it breaks free, let's drag this all the way up to here. There's the next big pull there. So what's that, 30,000? In fact, it's more like a bar, so let's do it like this. There's the next big pull. It can break lower, and if it does, well, you know where it's headed here. But on the upside, you've got some reasonable upside here. Now, it could be that it takes a long time to climb all the way out this channel to here, or it could be it drops out first and then goes better. But you can see the places where it's aiming for. Hi, Alex. Are there any requests? Because after all, nothing's really changed here. For those that are perhaps new to the channel, I'll just go over a much larger picture. So switching to the weekly, and kind of ignoring where we are now, let's just get rid of some of these things. So those of you who watched before know what I'm talking about already. We have an Elliott wave structure because this has become amazingly institutional in the last few years, and now it's behaving a bit like Elliott wave. Don't forget, Elliott wave isn't a price predictor. It's more a human psychology predictor. So it goes in 5 ways: 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're either here or the 4 is here. Either way, it's going up as far as we're concerned. The bias is upward, and we're looking for further evidence. You can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within the 2, 3. This is monthly 3. Looking for monthly 4. We're either there or going to be soon. Probability that it's the C, 50-50. No, we far prefer the fact that this is the A. We don't think that people are going to. But think about what the composite man wants. He wants everybody involved in crypto to give up and sell their stuff to him at the lowest possible price. So he's got quite a lot of that sentiment here. But what could be better than rallying it, getting new people fired up, and then absolutely screwing them too? So think about the way it works. That was Alex saying probably this is the C, 50-50 question mark. No, I think it's more like, I want to say 80-20, 75-30, 70-30, something like that. Let's go 75-25. Either way, sentiment is upward, and that's the thing you should look for. So look at the stock markets. Basically stuck there. This is weekly. Let's switch to 8 hour, which is quite a good sort of median level, so you don't get sort of hung up with minutai. And we're just stuck in this area here, and if we'll see probably if we try our indicator again on the top to now. This is where it's all at, and the target if we go up is 4,500, and my opinion is if we go up we stay going up, because people just think recession. I'm not buying this, I'm shorting it, and they carry on shorting it, and of course they have to buy it back because it carries on going up. May sound outlandish, but it's my theory and I'm sticking to it. And what that means is that I'm not trying to play US equities from the short side. I want to play them from the long side. I'm small long. I've been long. Yeah, I took a little bit of pain but I have been long since 4,000. So I'm happy to stick to it. At the moment it seems good. Filecoin we had this the other day, Filecoin. I have no idea what it is. There's no way you can look at that from an Elliott Wave perspective. I'm afraid, you know, Elliott Wave is a human, a natural world characteristic, like Fibonacci levels. Okay, and so therefore, if there aren't masses and masses of people trading this, then it isn't going to necessarily exhibit Elliott Wave characteristics. And if it does, it could easily be coincidence. So no, it's not something that you can do. There isn't enough data behind it. It's been around for what, 18 months. You know, this is nonsense. No, can't look at it from an Elliott Wave perspective, I'm afraid. Is that MASO4? MASO4, sorry, or MASO4. It's hard to say. Right, if there are no more, then I'm going to call it here because there's nothing much going on. Am I back tomorrow? Yeah, I'll be back tomorrow at this earlier time of 1 UK. Trying to catch people before they go to work in the Eastern Seaboard. So spread the word. Don't forget, if you like it, like it. How hard can that be? If you like it, like it. Can you subscribe to the channel and spread the word to people that there is someone sensible talking about Bitcoin who isn't particularly partisan? Keep getting offers to have affiliate links with various exchanges and so forth. And at the moment, you know, we just don't think that's appropriate because we're trying to sort of give this away in the hope that people believe us more. We don't like the way that know-nothings go out there, have affiliate links and make all their money from that, because they certainly ain't making money from trading. CPI index today. Yeah, so those of you who don't already do this, knock out the calendar. FX Street is probably the best one. So CPI index coming today. These red ones indicate the most likely to move the market, I should say. And then the rest of the week, what have we got? Mainly, yeah, it's mainly clear. What's that? GDP UK. Not going to affect the dollar. The things that affect the dollar are the things we care about. But CPI today, so you can see what the consensus is. Year on year, 6.1%. Okay, so if it's vastly different from that, then you'll get price movements. Cool. Okay. Worst says, "Here's the screen black. Just hit reload." Does it sometimes? Don't know why. But hitting reload, do it. You might have to do it twice. Okay, I'm going to go. I will see you tomorrow. There's not much to talk, and I will be sticking to this earlier time in future. Next week I'm out on holiday. I'm in vacation in France. So next week, don't expect anything from me. Week after that, I'll be back. So I'll see you. Don't forget, it's only Wednesday, so I'll do one on Thursday and Friday. Okay, see you.